Childrens, today we will learn maths subject of standard 4. Maths, the definition of maths is a study of numbers and quantity or shapes are called as maths. Okay, maths are of two types, geometry and algebra. Today we will learn the geometry. What is mean by geometry? Just a minute. Geometry. The shape. Children, what is this? These are the different type of shapes. Everyone know these shapes: star or cylinder, cross, arrow, heart, oval. These circle. These are the shapes of the shapes. Different type of shapes. We are studying the different type of shapes. These shapes study in the geometry. Okay, geometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with the question of shapes, size, and relative position of figures, the properties of space. Okay, this is called geometry. Okay, today we will learn the geometry of figure, geometrical figure is the first lesson of 4th standard. Before starting the lesson, I would like to explain the basic concept. Some basic concept. This is must. Everyone must or know these basic concept. After this basic concept, easy to understood the geometric figure. Okay. First of all, what is mean by point? Point is a mark position. It has no length and thickness. Point means a point is a mark of position. It has no length and thickness. Example, the red dot A show the example of point. Everyone know point. Line, the definition of line: the collection of infinite points will make a line. Collection of infinite points. Everyone know what is the infinite point or will make a line. A line has an infinite length but no thickness. It extends endlessly in a both direction. Example, A and B. A and B both show the arrow. Okay. Line segment. A part of line is called line segment. Okay. What is meant by line segment? Line segment means a part of line is called line segment. A line segment has two end points, A and B. It's example of line segment A and B. Okay. In the line segment, not show the arrow, dot. Okay. Point, only point segment. Okay. Point segment, line segment means a part of line is called as line segment. Okay. Understood? Next is ray. What is meant by ray? A line segment which extend endlessly in one direction are called ray. Okay. Endlessly in one direction. Line segment means ray means a line segment which extend endlessly in a one direction called ray. A ray has one end point A. A is the end point is called as initial point. Is also called as initial point. Okay, understood? Next is plane. Plane. What is meant by plane? Children, what is meant by plane? Plane, a flat surface which extend endlessly in all direction are called plane. A plane has infinite length and breadth but has no thickness, called as plane. Plane means a flat surface which extend endlessly in all direction are called plane. Okay. Next is intersecting line. Intersecting lines, when two lines cross each other and share a common point of intersection, they are said to be intersection line or they are called intersection line. Intersection line means two lines are crossed to each other at a common point of intersection, or this point is also called as intersection point. Okay, AB is intersect to MN at the common point. Okay. Next is concurrent line. Concurrent line means when two or more lines cross to each other share a common point of intersection, they are said to be concurrent line. Okay. Next is parallel line. Parallel lines, two distinct lines that never meet are called as parallel line. Intersecting line or parallel lines are opposite. Intersecting line, they are meet at a common point, but parallel lines are never meet are called as two distinct lines never meet are called as parallel lines. Example, everyone see in this picture parallel example of parallel lines. Okay, everyone understood? I hope everyone understood the parallel lines, ray, line segment, plane, intersecting line. This is must. Okay. Today we will learn angles. Angles. First of all, I want to introduce what is angle. Angle means what? We see an angle almost every in our day-to-day life. For example, the angle made by the hand of a clock, the angle made by two intersecting roads, and angle made by blade of a fan. We also use by angle for navigation of planes or ships. Okay, I hope understood by the examples. Then what is mean by perfectly definition? What is mean by angle? Okay, angle is made when two lines meet at a common end point are called angle. Amount of turning needs to make an angle is given in a degree. Okay, in this figure angle is 35 degree. Okay, two rays r1 or r2, these are the two rays. Okay, or meet at a vertex. Okay, vertex is a arms meet at a point. Okay, these two rays meet at that point is called vertex. The purple dot show the vertex. Okay, I hope all are understood what is meant by vertex. Or angle is a Latin word from which the word is angle drive. Okay, angulus. Okay, angulus is a Latin word from which the word angle is derived. Okay, this is vertex, two arms, angle measure in degree, or the arms meet at a point is called vertex, and the size of an angle is measured in a degree. Okay, there are various types of angles based on their measures of an angle. There are types: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. Okay, isn't it? These are I already explained these points, basic geometric figures. Okay, point, line, plane, segment, ray, and angles. These are the types of angles. Okay, diagram of the type of angle: the acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle, and full angle. The definition of angle: angle is an just a minute an angle sorry angle an angle is the union of two different rays having the same initial point. Okay, definition of angle: an angle is the union of two different rays having the same initial point is called angle. Types of angle: acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that measure less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree are called acute angle. Okay, please by heart this definition: acute angle. Okay, this diagram show the acute angle. The measure of this angle is 62 degree. That means this is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree, isn't it? Next is right angle. Right angle, an angle whose measures is exactly 90 is called right angle triangle. Okay, right angle the 90 degree show कर रहा है. This is this example this is the example of right angle. Next is obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Okay, example: obtuse angle, the measures of angle is 135 degree. Okay, that means this is 135 is less than 180. That means this example or this diagram show the example of obtuse angle. Okay, next is straight line angle, an angle just a minute an angle right angle straight angle, an angle whose measure exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Okay, next is today I would like to introduce the first lesson of fourth standard geometric figure. Okay, in this lesson only some examples are given. We see angles between the ground and slide. Okay, and the ladder make an angle with ground. Okay, next is we see an angle between the tree trunk and its branches. Okay, there is an angle between the angle between the tree and trunk and its branches, tree trunk and its branches show the acute angle. Okay, and the angle between the pole, electric pole and ground show the right angle triangle. Okay, in the above picture, the ladder, just a minute. In the above picture, we see the angle between ground and slide show the obtuse angle. Okay, the boy is slide now. This red line show the obtuse angle, and in back side show the acute angle. Okay, isn't it? And the ladder makes one angle with ground is called acute angle. Okay. In the last, the collection, this is in our surrounding, wherever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. Okay, please, some activities are there. Collect some pictures in which you can see angles. Make those angles using a pencil. Okay, look at the angles that can be made at your elbow. This is your activity. Okay, next. In the next, I already explained the types of angles: right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. Okay, these are the examples. We see a right angle between two adjoining side of the window. This is right angle. Okay, isn't it? Everyone know now. Two adjacent side of a book make a right angle. Watch in a clock at a 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. The minute hand and the hand hour hand are at right angle to each other. Okay, in the picture along the side there is a right angle between two blades of the scissor. As we reduce the distance between the tip of the blades little by little, the angle between the blades grow smaller than a right angle. Okay, an angle which is smaller than a right angle is called as acute angle, and but as we increase the distance between the tips of the blade, the angle between the blades grow biggest than right angle. An angle that is bigger than right angle is called as obtuse angle. Okay, a right angle, first is the first watch, first clock show the right angle, example of right angle. Second clock show the acute angle, and third watch show the obtuse angle, example of obtuse angle, because first watch show the 90-degree, or in a second watch show the less than 90-degree angle of measure is less than 90-degree, and in the third diagram show the measures of angle is more than 90-degree. That's why this watch is show the example of obtuse angle. This is your exercise. After this session, we solve this exercise. This first question: observe the figure below and right angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and in the box or below each figure. Okay. First is acute angle, second one is right angle, third one is obtuse angle, the fourth one is also obtuse angle, and last one is acute angle, isn't it? And next question is: make a right angle by joining a dots in the box below. Very easy. Join the three lines and make a right angle. Okay. Similarly, in the next question, make a acute angle by joining the dots. In this question also, you join the three dots and make a acute angle. In the next question, make a obtuse angle by joining the dots. Similarly, in this question also, make a join the three dots and make a obtuse angle. In the next question, make a right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle at your elbow and show the angles at your front. This is your activity part. Next is check is this true. Okay. First question: angle of an electric pole make with the ground is a right angle, isn't it? Yes, this is right angle. This is true. Okay, the slide make one acute angle and one obtuse angle. Yes, this sentence is also true. Next is the ladder makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the wall. Yes, this is also true. The angle between the thorn of the bubble tree is an obtuse angle. No, this is wrong. And leaving the thumb when the angle made two joining figure in an acute angle. Yes, this is true. Okay, isn't it? Please, thank you for watching this video. I hope all are understood. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Okay, thank you.